Good morning, Year 8s. Here we are in STEAM again, and I just want to go through a couple of things to make sure everyone's up to date and working at their best. So first of all, I want to make sure that you are all able to access my calendar here, and the link that I've put out for you, I will also make sure that's in our Daymap and Classroom again today, so you've got access to that. Please use this calendar link to book in spots. You have Year 8 STEAM appointment slots that are available to you when we would normally have our classes. So please make sure that you book in those, because I won't be doing whole class sessions anymore. We'll only be having classes by appointment and my introductory videos for each week. So please make use of that if you're having trouble. Otherwise, you can email me and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. In addition to that, I want to make sure that you are all able to access our Grok Learning. And there's a couple of things that I want you to do when you get into Grok Learning. And don't forget, the username is your EduPass or Google account email, and the password is also posted in our Google Classroom. So when you're logged in, you're going to see that there's been some work allocated for you, and that is your CAT for Term 2. So you need to make sure that you get that completed as soon as possible. Before you do start that endeavour though, I'd like you to go up to where your name is and click on the account, because there's a couple of settings that you need to do, and this is really important that you do these straight away. Okay, so the first one is security, and type in that generic password that everyone's got, and then you need to reset the password for something of your own, because it's important that you secure your password. When you've done that, click change password. The next thing you need to do is go to communication. Now, as you know, we've all signed in with your school's account, but because we don't receive emails from this account, we need to also put in your SHC email address. So you put that in and you go add another email, and that's going to go through the process, and then you save it, and then you're done. Then once you've done that, you can go back to Grok Learning, click on the starting of the course, and you can scroll down. The 4 modules, it's important that you complete all 4 modules. So you can either click on Start Course, you'll also say Start Course, or you can go to the specific module. I suggest you do them in order, because they do sequence and follow on from each other. And like I said in last week's video, Control F is going to be your biggest friend. Control F brings up a little window like this in your browser, and you can search for anything you like. So if it was Fiona you were looking for, you could look at her, all the things that said Fiona. So if I just go into the course for a second, and you need to watch the video. So down the side here is your progress. Obviously the diamonds relate to the diamonds of your progress and your achievement. The circles are information. If you choose to skip those circles, I'm going to get notified. I'm going to see that you haven't done all of the work. So it's important that you do that. And as you go through, you'll get to a challenge. Now, this is where does Ashley live? You've got to find a street number, street name, and suburb. So to do that, I might use Control F and find Ashley in here, and it tells me there's 5 of them. So I can scroll down and you can see that they're all highlighted. So if I just use that arrow, it's going to scroll through all 5 versions of Ashley here. Now, obviously there's no information here that's going to help me, but if you click on this little app icon up here, we've got Fist Bump and Flash Tag. So this is, Fist Bump is like Facebook, Flash Tag is a little bit like Instagram. So you can scroll through those, or again, type Ashley again, and there's 3 instances of Ashley this time, and it's not going to scroll through, but let's go Ashley again, and it's just lagging a bit. So there's 38 versions, so you can scroll through and it will highlight all the Ashleys and all of the information to help you get that. Once you've got all of it, you can go mark. The hints are helpful, but they're limited, so I suggest you only use those when you really need to. So hopefully this video gives you an idea of what my expectations are for the week, and I will see you very soon, either on a one-on-one call or in the class getting your work done. See you soon.